Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essential prerequisites. Confirm you are a global administrator and that subscriptions, billing, and enterprise apps are removed from the tenant. Once done, sign into the Azure portal and open Azure Active Directory. Make sure no Azure subscriptions or reserved roles remain assigned to this tenant and that you've exported any required logs or reports. This prevents blocking conditions later. It also ensures you retain critical data before initiating the deletion process. Now you perform the detailed cleanup. Remove all non-essential users, guest accounts, and service principals, leaving only one global administrator to execute deletion. Next, delete app registrations, enterprise applications, conditional access policies, and any directory-integrated services. Make sure to revoke MFA registrations and clear external identity providers. Once those resources are removed, validate there are 0 subscriptions, no active policies, and no lingering resources in the tenant. This eliminates common blockers that prevent. Finally, navigate to Azure Active Directory Manage Tenants, delete tenant, and follow the validation checklist presented. Confirm each validation item is clear, then proceed to delete. If deletion fails, review the specific validation errors and address the listed blockers, often lingering subscriptions, hidden service principals, or directory roles. As a key troubleshooting tip, use Azure PowerShell or Azure CLI to list service principals and subscriptions. They reveal hidden resources that the portal might not show, letting you remove them and retry deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.